Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello everyone. How are you doing?
Hello, hello guys. What's up, Rosa?
Hi, how are you
Hello.
doing?
Yes,
Okay, how's the week so far?
week is going good, but today is very choppy price action I saw on
Mm.
gold. That's why I'm sidelined right now. I took some trade in Asian session and I took a short actually, which gave me profit. And after that, I'm not interested in market at least for the day. Can you guys see some choppiness in gold?
Yes, I've been trading gold this morning as well. Um, I'm positive, but still very choppy. I had a couple of bad trades.
Hmm. Yes. How are you, Sai bro?
All good, bro. All good. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yes.
I can hear you.
Okay, perfect.
Hi everyone in the chat. Hi Rosa, Modern, Arjun. Hi. How are you doing? People asking for funded accounts, but we're not giving away any today, right? Or we are? Are we? I don't think so.
I don't know.
You should never
I
say
don't
that,
know.
Rosa. You should always say we are giving away 50 accounts on so, so that we get more members joining.
Guys, we have a 100 giveaway from Saai itself. Let's go.
Okay, what are you guys seeing?
I'm seeing couple of stop losses if I enter in current. That's
That's a
why I'm
fantastic
siding.
prediction.
Hmm.
And to be very honest, I don't have any analysis for today if you're talking about gold. And giving analysis is like you are doing some drawing some lines in sideways market. And being a day trader scalper, it is not like for me to be very honest. Let's see how we see. We have. I think we are about to open NYC. Then you can see some. The overall bias is bearish for me, and
Yeah,
many of you
I'm
guys will agree with that.
currently in a
As
bearish short. Let me share.
yeah, so you are into sales, fine,
Yeah, yeah, you can.
perfect, bro,
In
perfect.
gold?
Yeah,
Yeah.
in go.
Okay.
So we have a first
So,
confirmation.
can you guys see the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, so majorly a couple of confirmations that today's price action was obviously choppy. It is actually in this range, if you see, right, in terms of price. It's just chopping in this range. Probably it might be waiting for NFP this week. That's what I'm assuming. But as per the setup, obviously it did give a breakdown from this area. This was like acted as support for multiple times, you can see, and that's where the breakdown happened. And even my indicator confirmation was like bearish on the daily. It just turned bearish after like a very long time. It turned after 22nd August. It just turned bearish right now. And apart from that, on a 15 minutes time frame, I did see a bearish flip over. So this was one of my levels which was currently there. That's exactly where market came and took rejection from. There was also Asia high, this liquidity. So that's where the rejection started from. So I just shorted from here. I'm currently short across multiple positions over here as well in between. But overall, the first position was taken here. Some positions were taken here. But it's still choppy. I'm currently at break even. So my target is the wick which is over here, or might be this wick. That's what I'm assuming. But if it breaks this range, but I'm not sure if it will break this range because it is like consolidating in this range for a very long time. Right. So if it breaks, it is gonna dump till here for sure, which is around 3880. But it has to break and then give that follow-up momentum. Today there is no news. I think there was tentative Joel's opening, but they have cancelled it. So I think there is no news for today. So probably we might not see much action. You can very clearly see like Asia and London within the range. So it is mostly like a sideways spinning top day which has been formed. Still started to taking support from the New York midnight open as well as from the trend line. So not very much a great day to trade. But in fact, Nasdaq is very good. If you see, it's been dumping from morning, and it just took the support after the London session ends and just did a bounce back. We might see a follow up, or maybe when NY opens, we might see like a retracement towards this level, either the New York midnight or maybe over here, and then starts to dump. I think 8:30 open happens in some time, right? What is time in New York? It's 8 o'clock. Yeah, so probably it might start to retrace and then start to dump in 9:30, or it might dump now and then do the retracement after 9:30. So that's what I'm assuming. But nothing very much clear in gold, although I'm in short. It's not very great position. It's been like very choppy, and then I'm just holding it at break even, so I don't have any risk on the table. So that's my analysis.
And one more thing I noticed in the NFP week, or it is FOMC, the market is usually choppy before any like high impact news. So that's one more reason we are seeing sideways. Even yesterday was a pretty good day. It was trending, but today is completely, you can see after London session, it is choppy. Yeah.
I hope gold is about to retrace a little bit, just a little bit. So I can close some trades. Are you guys working with FundingPips? I think you are both, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and is it good?
Obviously. Pro account is
Pro account,
pro
yeah.
account is something like you cannot see in any pro firm, like the way pro account is giving you freedom and the payouts, everything. I like, that's why I entered into pro firms after seeing pro account. I was never been into it.
Which one do you use? The Pro Plus, the
50k, 50k pro, 50k pro, 5,000
50K, and
limit.
then you select the 1,000 everywhere, or the
5,000, 5,000.
5,000. Yeah, I did buy the first one today, so I have to set up Ninja Trader. Do you work with Ninja Trader with
Like
funding
I
tips?
do use TradeOvate and I connected it with TradingView.
Oh,
But I
Trading
never
View?
use
Okay.
Ninja Trader. Yeah, but like I like simplicity and I do what I understand more.
Mm.
And yeah, TradeOvate makes sense for me to understand. I think Saai is doing on Ninja Trader, or like he used copy trading platforms.
Yeah, I trade on Ninja Trader. I trade sometimes on TradeAway also, but Ninja Trader connects to both Rhythmic as well as to TradeAway platforms, so you can use anything, to be honest. I do trade on Ninja Trader, but I've actually showed in the last stream as well.
You are a pro guy, bro.
It's not that complicated. All you need to do is like set a connection. Once connected, you have the charts ready.
Yeah, I have to read the tutorial just to get connected. I've been using Ninja Trader before, but yeah, I need to connect Ninja Trader with TradOvate, which I've never used before. TradOvate, I used to use Rhythmic, so I used to connect Rhythmic with Quantower. So I have to read a tutorial or something.
It's pretty simple. I think in the settings you'll have that Ninja Trader Contonium or something. You just select that, set the name as FT, and just put the credentials whatever you get.
Okay.
The email. That should be straightforward, to be honest.
Okay.
Not that complicated.
Fantastic. And can you use bots on FundingPips?
You can't.
And okay, no, sorry, I didn't mean bots. I meant, can you copy trade
Yeah,
within your 6 accounts? Can
Yeah,
you
between
replicate
your
the
account
trade?
you can do.
All right, that's what I meant. All right.
what else? I think it's a boring day. We should take some questions, and
Sure.
that's what is best. Do you guys have any questions, guys?
Okay, everything's closed now on gold to me. Okay. Good.
Okay, New York Open starts to pump higher.
Wow, great. That's what I was expecting. Um, all right. Can anyone tell me market timings in UK time? What do you mean by market timings? We changed in Europe, at least, most of the European countries just changed the time like 1 week and a half ago. But I'm not sure what you mean by market timings in the UK. It starts at 9. 9 session starts at 9 UK time.
Someone is asking, can you break down Nasdaq? I think you both guys trade Nasdaq, so it will be great if you break it down. Nasdaq.
I don't analyze Nasdaq because it's I only trade in 1 minute. So I'm sorry, guys, but I can't do that.
I can do it. That's fine.
Yeah, sure.
So majorly Nasdaq on the fundamental side, it is very bullish. But we are currently seeing this retracement like happening on the weekly time frame for this week, right? It might change when the NFP comes. It might rebound, but on the fundamental side, Nasdaq is very bullish. Second, on the technical side, it has basically given a breakdown. It made a higher low on the even on the 4-hour time frame. It just started to make this higher low pattern and then continued to basically go down. So I'm assuming until the trend starts to shift, we might not see a reversal on the bullish side. So I'll just continue to sell on rise whenever it happens on Nasdaq till there is a confirmation for me to buy. So in terms of where can it go, this was one of my standard deviation levels. Maybe I'm looking at this area 25 to 20 to 230. That's the area which you can focus on. Even if you see on the retracement trend, if you see like this is the leg, then on the Fibonacci it might come to around 0.5, 0.6. That's the levels you can see. So maybe this is the retracement leg is what I'm assuming, and it would see a continuation leg afterwards after NFP, because you see this momentum, right? You see this momentum so strong, right? And look at this momentum, which is very, very weak, right? Even though the selling is happening, it is kind of very weak, like very slow, very weak. So you see this flag pattern, that's what they call it, right? This is like a flag pattern, and then you might see a breakout and then a continuation. So currently it is consolidating and slightly bearish. So on a intraday basis, I might look to sell on intraday basis, but in a bigger duration, I'm more inclined towards buys in Nasdaq because DXY is also stronger and it's been pumping. You can see DXY has been pumping from the bottom levels like crazy. It's currently reaching this resistance, which is almost at the height. So that's why you see the bearishness in gold as well, right? So if DXY is pumping, obviously you might see the bearishness continue in gold. Even on the bonds as well, like even the 10-year bonds, they are also like almost slightly bullish. So you can see it is on a bullish structure, gave a breakout, currently at a retest area. It might again start to pump. So that's about Nasdaq, to be honest.
I'm trying to set up Ninja Trader here.
Oh, okay.
It's been a while since I've used Ninja Trader.
It's pretty simple. It's not that complicated. What indicator do you use for the daily candle on the charts? The daily candle is basically ICT higher time frame candles by Fadi. Okay, so you just search in the indicators ICT HTF candles by Fadi, you'll get it. Would you describe your trading edge in one sentence? One sentence, that is pretty tough, to be honest, to describe any trading strategy.
These guys want some unique answers. Yeah.
But it's pretty tough. So my strategy is based on, again, I've told this multiple times, my strategy is based on standard deviation levels, and the deviation levels are basically a probability that it will stay within the levels for 68% of the times, and one of the levels is going to hit either the top level or the bottom level. And what do? I wait for a 4-hour bias confirmation and I just enter on the pullbacks, right? That's what I trade. That's on one sentence basis.
It's like you take 10 years to learn trading, and guys is asking in one sentence. Come on, bro. What?
Did it hit your break-even point, Sai?
Not yet. My break even is at 4001. Almost. I just kept like 1 pip, like 10 pip stop loss, and just left it. So I'm still up because my trade was this. So I entered on this doji, and the stop loss was, the initial stop loss was somewhere here, and I now kept it at around 4001. So it's almost like 10-20 pips. Yeah, I don't have much confidence because it's just chopping. I might just take a break even. But yeah.
What I am saying, it could be happen like once we tap in 4,000 level, then we can go down again. Cause it has to go like 4,000 before going down. And there was a lot of, you can say, liquidity pending and London highs as well.
Yeah, it did sweep on the futures chart. So if someone is actually seeing futures, so it did sweep
Yeah.
everything in the
Asha.
futures chart,
Okay.
right?
That's
So that,
fine.
that liquidity is already purged, right? So it just swept and started to dump. That's where I
Mm-hmm.
took the position. Although it did not do it in the CFD chart, it did take in the futures chart.
So you basically take like conferences from future charts as well.
Because I trade futures also, right? So I generally check. So whatever happens, like whenever the sweep happens, you might
Mm-hmm.
just check if it
Mm-hmm.
broke the futures chart. That's one additional confirmation which I look at, but it's not mandatory that it has to happen. Sometimes I look at bookmap. You just see the orders and basically see how the orders have been taken out or there are still pending orders. Again a doji candle and then a drop, right? So it's completely sideways. This is what I tell people whenever they're trading. Look at the sessions. Okay, the sessions will give you an idea. This was Asia somewhere. It depends on what times you basically look, and exactly London played out inside Asia. So it is not a trending day. That's what uh, is the one indication that okay, London is basically within, and even New York started within London, right? So it is mostly what candle do you think is it making when it is inside one other range? It is basically making a spinning top or like a doji candle, right? So it is very very tough as an intraday trader to trade doji candles or like even spinning top candles. Try to capture trends where it is pretty much confirmed, right? So you see, at least this was like a one-sided bullish side day, right? On this again it was sideways, on this again it was bullish side, right? On this very clear bullish momentum and bullish continuation, right? So many examples of sessions playing out. So you see, this was a bearish day. New York basically dumped, and then the retracement like happened in after London, right? So just look at sessions, and sessions will give you a very good idea of whether you have to trade that day or like whether you can skip it, right? If it is completely sideways day, the best thing for you to do is like look at the ranges and trade from the ranges. So this was the range top, which is almost the day high, and this was the day low, right? So you can basically do it from this range to this range, so you can just keep trading them, right? So someone who would have got a long in this trade, they would have got chopped out, right? So look at the dump now again. So I'm still confident because I was holding the trade from this entire chop. I'm still confident on sells. The only problem is this range, this 4 hour range, which it is holding. I want this to break, right? That is when we see the momentum. Otherwise, it is going to be choppy sideways because a lot of fight between buyers and sellers is happening over here.
I think there's a lot of correction that is still pending to be happen in gold. What do you guys think about this? Like if you see the 4H structure, it is indicating that we can see some more like bleed bath in gold is.
For me, I think Taufik, you already saw this indicator. I will,
Hmm.
I will turn bullish unless it basically gives me that crossover back. I won't turn bullish, right? So if you see, it just broke on the daily for the first time after how many days? From 22nd August. This is November, right? September, October, November. So after 3 months, it basically started to break towards the bearish side, right? Which means I'm currently more bearish than bullish. So until the shift happens on the 4 hour, this is on daily, but on the 4 hour also it is bearish. The 4 hour turned bearish on 21st October. So imagine someone basically took a position with the indicator itself with no other confluences, right? Maybe 100 pip stop loss or like whatever pip stop loss. They would have got like all this entire move. They're still holding. Like I basically sometimes just try to swing it using the indicator itself. Like whenever the crossover happens, just take a sell, just hold it until the next crossover for the buy happens, take a stop, and then a reverse, right? So you would have got this buy whenever the indicator crossed over somewhere here, right? 26 September, from there the entire buy till here. And again in August, this was the breakout candle, right? 22nd August, you would have got the entire buy till 18 September. So look at the range and look at the number of pips, right? You're getting almost like 2000 3000 pips with just one crossover because it's on the higher time frame, obviously. But so I just don't wait for a level saying that okay, this is going to happen. The indicator shows when it is going to happen, and then that is when I turn bullish or bearish.
Yeah, agree.
Someone is saying gold is crazy. I think he took a buy.
Actually, we all like I did many mistakes when we are in the bullish market cycle. So that this time I'm not going to buy. I'm not going to like took some like reverse trade in bearish market cycle. And yes, I'm sure this guy is in bias. That was saying gold is going crazy. Yeah.
I did close my buys like 2, 4, 6, 11 minutes ago. So
You were into buys?
yeah, of course, and I closed them. So
Good decision.
I closed at on profit 3994.4 3994 kind of. So yeah, but it's because I'm on 1 minute, so I just expect a very fast move, and then I close out everything. And now
So
I'm just waiting for the gold just to go
this is
down a little
another
bit.
FundingPips account which I actually took the same trade. So probably I think after this reaction, I would expect it to not come back above this for sure. So I can basically trail the stop loss from here. That's what I'm assuming.
Hmm.
So let's okay.
Do you use the whole daily max drawdown on
No,
your
this
trades?
this is like 1.2% or 1.3% stop loss is currently set. So I
Hmm.
think yeah, 1.8%. So it's around uh, close to 2% stop loss. But yeah, so my current stop loss would be somewhere here 800. So it's in a profit of 2000 on this
Hmm.
account. But I did short from here in some of the accounts. Those were not funding pips accounts, but yeah. Do we see a break? I think
Took a
it's a break.
buy
I am
3969.
saying
Ooh.
down like a one-sided move. I'm seeing now like this 15-minute candle only. Cause it's
अभी
reject.
अभी कुछ जो फिर
No, bro. The stop loss is going to be like big for me.
very big, right? Very big, yeah.
Uh, your entry is actually a very precise entry when you can take 1% risk on that price, but now it's too late. Looking at the 30-minute reaction, if it closed below the previous low, we can see some more one-way directional move. Like 30 minute is looking so good. That's why I think you took a good decision, Sai. Like even after seeing you're about to hit a stop loss or break even, you still hold.
It never came to break even point. I was break even at 4001. So I don't trail very aggressive until I see a reaction out.
Okay, okay. I was thinking your stop. Yeah, your break even is around 3994. Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Someone is saying I'm going into buys. Why you guys want to become liquidity of Sai? Just don't go, man. If price
Actually,
is
you're
dropping,
right.
if price is dropping, that doesn't make any sense. It will go up from that level.
Price is dropping, so unless you are a scalper, like I am, do not buy
Hmm.
because you can see. I mean, the movement's downside, so you have to be extremely careful on the buy side, at least now. So take it easy with the buys.
And even on 1 minute time frame, I'm not seeing any buys. If you are buying, bro, think about it again. 30 minute closed.
30 minutes closed. Okay.
Going good now.
What are the rules that help you to decide when to trade and when not to? One is my checklist where I have a set of rules on when to trade and when not to trade. Two is like my risk reward. It has to be a very good risk reward for me to like put a trade in that scenario, and whether my levels are hit or not based on that. And if the market condition doesn't support it, I'm not so emotional or foolish to put a trade. No trade is better than forcing yourself to trade. Deepa is saying my laziness is really helping me in trading because I don't sit on the charts all day. That is a very good habit, to be honest.
It's very cute. Okay.
Nasdaq is dumping. Yep, exactly from the place which we told. Nice. What else, guys? Ask some questions.
3916.
Rosa, you are scalping something? Maybe show it to us.
I'm about to buy if I see my
Okay.
setup in place.
I'll give the screen share to you. Let me.
Just give me a minute. I'm just setting a few things.
Okay, 8:30 open. Started to bounce again.
Okay.
Pretty much choppy. I think it's gonna stay the same till end.
Bearish after.
Just give me a minute. I'm just setting. Setting up my other accounts. Just bear with me a second. Okay, not yet. Just waiting. No setup. And I'm gonna move. It's 005.
Rosa, just sell gold. Don't look for buyers, to be very honest. Just don't look for buyers. Actually, I was looking for this 1 minute like bearish doji candle, but it's moves so fast.
Let's go. Be my liquidity.
Come on,
please.
come on, come on. Let's go gold. Let's make some multiple
Okay,
thousand.
breaking.
Did you take this trade on funded account Saai as well?
Yeah. I
Yeah, I'm
am
sharing my screen,
short on
guys.
all
Just give
the
me a
accounts,
minute.
to be honest, because if you remember, I come live, but most of the time my levels are already hit by then. But this is the first time I'm actually doing a live where the levels are actually not.
Let's go. Let's go. Look at the 1 minute and 5 minute.
Did you take the sales, TAUFIQ?
No, I didn't take. I was
Fill in
thinking
cells. Okay,
to.
that's a breakout, guys.
Can you see my screen, Saai, Rosa?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I was looking for a shot on this candle, but this shit moves so fast. Like, even I was about to execute on my account, which was in funded phase. Look at this 1 minute. 3987 to 100 pips move. Oh, damn. I missed it. Sai, did you take it on your funded account as well?
Yeah. They are running on some of my funded accounts.
Let's go, bro. Where is the guy who was saying to go buyers? Are you fine, bro?
He
Do
said
you
close
need
at three
anything?
three three nine. Sorry, 3,998. He closed it at 3,998. I'm good.
Okay, bro, then fine. I don't know
Okay.
why you guys go against with the guy who is giving you reasons, who is explaining trade, making sense. And if you are still going against, you are like just going with the hopes that it may go up, it may go up. But market doesn't give about a fuck on this key where what's your hope is. So I don't think so. It will go up. Like it should tap this reason. Let's go.
Oh, come on. No setup yet, but it's forming. I will let you know. I'm still setting up some charts here. It has to go up at least until 3987.21 before the end of the session. This level got hit. I'll give some more levels in a minute. 3968.
I think anyone who has shorted Nasdaq after I told would have made money.
Yeah, of course.
Look at the dump. Uh,
Or my
So level above, I already gave it. Level under the price is 3962.54.
oh damn! Look at gold. Hmm.
So not sure which levels gold will hit first, but these two are going to be hit before the end of the day. Okay.
I can see some reaction from this level. That is 3977. Let's see how this goes. Uh, what should take profit sign by the way?
uh, it's around 3960.
Like previous days lows. Like he is
Yeah. I might
he's
close it at 3962 or 667, but let's see. Depending on the reaction.
cause yeah, cause we have so many time reaction coming from previous days lows and highs. So yeah. Actually this is the PDL sorry. Let's see. I think Rosa is going to announce that she is going to into buys
Not
and
yet.
saying your like your conferences of taking trade is something like that which I'm seeing in front of my charts. But waiting for your announcement. Actually the level is working well. 3976.
I mean, I'm pretty sure it's going up and down before the end of the session. These two levels will be hit. High probability. It's leaving. It's leaving without me. It's already 40 points. Well, 4 points. I always say points and it's pips, but because in the MT5 it says points, but it's 40 pips. 40 points on the MT5 platform. Okay, ready to trade. Is there any news today? Not
No,
really, I think.
no, no,
Okay,
no.
just so I don't miss anything. Hundred and 158. Okay, come on. Not yet. Volume. Oh, come on. There's a very nice pattern in gold, which I like a lot. It's very repeatable, and it's
For the
like
buys
a
or sells?
W. No, not yet. My setup's not there. It's like about to be there every candle, but not yet. So I have to wait. But it's like a W. Every time gold's forming a W in a very short time, like
W in 1 minute? Or
in 1 minute, something like that, very very fast. Like let's say, I haven't counted, but maybe let me think, 15, 20 bars, something like that. I know it's very probable gold's going up. I don't know how much, but I know a setup's forming. And usually, when this setup's forming, like it's forming now, there's some liquidity here up above. That's why I said 3987.21. It's a high probability level before gold decides what to do next. Keep going up or just going down. Keep dropping.
I'm into a quick scalp buys from my level, and let's see how this will goes.
It's going to give you 20 points for not for sure, but it's there.
I want to break like a candle like this.
What level did you buy?
It's on broker. It's on 3981. Sorry. And if it has to kick me out, it will like stop me out within 2 minutes or less.
Oh, it's a very tight stop loss.
Like considering this as a low. Let's
Mm.
see.
You're about to have the 20 points.
Let's see.
81, you say it's a bit high, but max one candle, depending on the
Yeah,
close of this one. Yeah.
6 seconds. Let's.
Mm. My setup's not there yet, so I have to wait.
I'm out.
You out already? Oh,
Yeah, I'm out.
okay.
20 pretty stop loss. Let's see now how this will goes.
Someone short 3993. That's an amazing short. 3993 sells and exit on 3976. Okay. So you already exited. Fantastic short. Well done, Saim Khan. Volumes can be trapped. I don't
Tawfiq,
see
where
the
are you
volume here.
from? I'm
Oh
from
yeah.
India, bro. Limbs can be trapped.
I mean, technically everything can trap it, not just volumes. A line which you draw, that can also get a trap. Volume can be trapped. Indicators can be trapped. Everything is a trap. Just that what is the context and what you're trading.
The calm trader is asking me, what's my plan for gold today? I never have a plan because I go candle on candle, so I don't analyze. I don't mind what gold has been doing for the rest of the day, so previous London session, or yesterday, or 3 days ago. I only buy in gold mainly, so I have to read candle on candle and just wait for my setup. If my setup's there, I'll take the trade. But for now, I'll keep waiting. So someone was asking also, can we long? No, you can't. Longs are not for the regular people, and I'm serious. I mean, unless you are a scalper, you're not allowed to buy now. You shouldn't, because it's a downtrend. So what are you gonna do?
Someone is saying buyers bro, sell side. Why you guys buy? Actually, I took a quick scalp, like which gave me, like I was marking this as a demand. This was the level, and that one confirmation trapped me like here, and I got a stop out within two candle. Like if I make it, it will give me 2.5 hour, and I lost 1 hour only, and that was not a good trade. After like hitting as well, I realized it. Yeah.
Even if the market's a downtrend and it's dropping like crazy, you can look for buys. That doesn't mean you are going to buy at any point.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to wait for a specific point to buy. Am I expecting, if I'm buying at a specific point, am I expecting to get 100 pips or 100 points? Of course not, because it's a downside. So, but I'll get, as always, 20, 30, 40 points and then I'm out. But it's the same like, I mean, you can buy and sell in any market condition as long as you know what you are doing and you have a plan and you stick to the plan. Because on a dropping, like now, it's dropping. It's going to keep dropping for now. So on a dropping market, it's very easy just to go long and then start moving your stop loss and thinking on expectations like it's going to reverse just a little bit more. It will reverse. It has to reverse. It dropped too much already, and then you are trapped. You are like liquidated. So that's why it's very, very important. If markets chop, it's dropping, and you are buying, it's just for professionals and scalpers. No one else.
In a student phase, how much you risk per trade? I do usually 1% and 1.5%, no matter it is phase one or phase two, until unless I move to master account. Max risk per trade is varies from trader to trader. Like if you're a scalper, it depends on you. Like everyone has a different approach. Mm, Guess can you see in the watch list? Everything is red. UJ, US30, BTC, ES1 silver. Only DXY is in positive. What do you guys think? It will break? DXY will give a breakout like this? Sai, what do you think, bro?
Sorry, yeah, I was in between something. DXY is
Hmm.
currently at a resistance.
Hmm.
Not exactly sure. It should reach like 100.2, 100.3. So for now, let's see what happens. But again, it depends. Actually, today's Jolt's opening would have decided the XY's
Mm.
DXY's route. But because the Jolt's opening did not come, I don't know what is the jobs currently and whether it would impact the NFP report or not, because generally Fed would basically look at how the job openings are and then analyze and basically give them. So currently the data did not come, so I don't know how they are going to do it, on what basis they are going to do it. So we can't ideally say whether it will give a breakout or not. But in terms of price action, I'm looking at it should go until like 100.7 101 in the longer tenure, right? So in the longer tenure, it's running in a channel, in a very big channel if you see. So the higher level targets are like 101, but we have to see whether it will reach until there or not.
And also it is a psychological level 100.
Yeah.
BTC is about to meet another low, and hopefully gold will do its will.
Sai, can you share your trade you took today with Logic and share P&L? Rohit,
Yes,
Rohit's asking.
sure. Yeah. TAUFIQ, I'm sharing.
Yeah, let me stop out. Yeah, you can go ahead.
So, what's the logic of the trade and the PNL you want to see, right? Okay, basically the logic is pretty simple. We are in a bearish trend. We can see that there is a continuous bearish momentum, and this was the first time 4 hour actually pulled back into a premium zone, and this premium zone aligned with one of my standard deviation levels. Along with that, it also aligned with Asia high as well as with this liquidity at the top. So London actually opened, did the sweep of this liquidity on multiple charts, even on futures chart. So this is where actually I've taken an entry, and in a shorter, very shorter duration, it's also a small time trend line breakout. But I don't very much actively look at just the trend line breakouts. I also look at other confluences before I enter the trade. So the trade was taken somewhere here. I did average some of my positions after this trend line broke out, right? So this was the other trend line where the pre-New York opened. So there was another trade over here which I took, and so those are the trades which are currently running, and I'm almost break even. So this was a 1 to 10 trade. I'm more than break even in this account. So if you want to see the trades, so this is one of my FundingPips accounts. It's currently running almost at this place where I told you on the retest. Currently more than I can even trail it to zero, to be honest, right? And this was one account. It's copied across all my accounts. So this is the second account which is currently running, and this is the third account which is currently running. It's actually copying across all of my accounts. Right. So current PNL is around $5,000. So that's around $15,000 running just in FundingPips. There are other accounts which are currently running, but so the target is generally this because I would want to see how is the liquidity being checked over here. But I think if this is actually a breakout like what the 4 hour is doing, we can very easily like even let it run until this level as well in a longer time frame, not today, but in a longer time frame we can actually very easily run till here. So that's the trade logic as well as the PNL which you have seen.
Perfect.
Keep going down.
Definitely going for this wick,
Yes.
but it has to see like what happens after the sweep.
Someone is saying there is a trend line in 1H. Check it. Where is the trend line?
In an hour.
He might be saying this.
Kamran Khan saying.
Yeah, but I did draw it on the 4 hour, so my trend line was like this. So yeah, it's perspective.
Like one thing is sure, we are going to sweep the previous day's lows. I don't know about what trend line will do. 3962 is something which can easily go.
Yeah, 0.54.
Yeah, exactly.
What do people like to see? The PNL or the chart?
PNL, you are winning in both, bro. PNL and as well as in charts.
All right,
Is
almost
it
near.
master? Like Sai, is it master account?
One is challenge, two are master.
Okay. So you took the same approach on both account, like risk, lot size, and everything.
The funded accounts are 1.5% risk. The challenge is 2%.
Okay, perfect. Like this trade was, I think, how much risk you on this trade? Like the currently running.
Current, there is no risk. I've it's at
Hey,
break
initial,
even.
what was the initial risk? I'm
It-
asking. Sorry.
It's about to hit.
1500. 1500.
What a trade, guys! What a trade! Solid.
Yeah.
Even in this like choppy market, this much RR is insane, bro, to be very honest.
I am exiting in two accounts. It's
Hmm. Like you are exiting on funded accounts?
Yeah. So let me exit this. This done.
4% lock. Perfect.
This done. Okay. The remaining account keeps running. So this one, what we can do is, where is 830 open? 830 open is at 3983. That is around this candle. So we can very much trail till here and keep it. So let's see what happens.
Wonderful trade.
So we did get close to 1.8, 1.7 hours.
So now onwards, I think you will not trade these master accounts unless you got the
Yeah, it's
payout.
done until the payout comes. I target only 3-4% rate.
And that makes sense if you exit the current position, because it respect your previous lows. The like you draw the line on your charts, respecting that as well. But yes, 3960 is still pending to be swept.
Yeah, it might go until there. Not sure if futures did go. Yeah, futures also did not go. So I'll go till here.
And we have today very less viewers. I think they don't know about the timing updates of the stream. And tomorrow onwards, guys, don't like just come on 6:30 Indian time. And in Dubai time, it will be 5 p.m. So make sure you guys be on time with the streams. Gold is gonna more low.
Oh my god, come on.
Is copy trading allowed in FundingPips between the accounts? Yes, now it's allowed. You can do. Gold is gonna make more low. Can go. People are building FOMO Saai in the chat. Guys, nothing is going to be happen with Saai. You cannot put me in like put me in, you can say, in FOMO.
See, the problem is even if it breaks, it's still in this chop, right? That's what I don't look at this
Yeah.
chop. Completely in this chop.
But
I know
honestly, trade.
it might test this. I know it might even test this pick, but it might not happen today, right? Depends, right? We can't say if it is good momentum, then it might even just go down. But yeah, we did get an initial target. So why do you have to like think about, oh, it might go until 3919? Yeah, see, I as per my levels are here. I can even hold it until here, like 17 hour or like even 30 hour trades. Well, those are not realistic trades, right? So take what you get from the market and basically move on, right? Maybe if it goes, then it is good. So that's why I left it in one account. I just left it in challenge account till here, right? So if it goes, it's fine. Otherwise, I'll just trail to here, right? So that's what I've trailed to. I'm okay with risking this part. So if I take a trade like this, right? So my trade would be somewhere like this. Right? So I'm still making like 1 to 5 hour with a break even risk, which means I'm still okay with it. Right? I still made like 4 hour extra on the top from here. So you don't have to capture everything. Just take whatever you get and then move on.
So basically, your RR is not fixed on any trade. It's based on levels, I think.
Yeah, it's based on levels. It's not on RR. So the levels basically get adjusted due to the volatility of the current market. So if
Mm-hmm.
it is very volatile, the levels automatically come very wide. If it is not very volatile, it will come closer. So the RR also keeps changing for all of my trades. I don't take very much fixed RR. But someone who is a beginner who joins my community, I tell them that stick to a very fixed RR like 1 to 2 or like 1 to 3. That is much better for your psychology. You can't hold trades like whatever I do, right? So it's very tough for someone to do it.
Rosa is saying what you guys are talking about 1 is to 10, 1 is to 5. I just need 20 waves, 20, 30 points.
Yeah.
Look at the 5 minute, guys. Just sweep the recent lows of 15-minute structure and bounce back from that level. Perfect execution, yeah. Someone is asking your YouTube channel, Saai.
It's the official Your Ordinary Trader. You can see the tag. It's the same in all the platforms: Instagram, X, YouTube. Will crypto have a huge crash on weekly and monthly charts according to previous patterns? Not really sure about that. But if you see, this was the support. It actually broke down from the support. It took liquidity at the top, reversed from the top, and it's now breaking this very big range, which it actually broke down. So currently it is bearish, so we don't know until where the fall will happen also. But the problem is the entire structure is bullish, right? So if you see, it might respect this, which is somewhere here, almost near that level. It might come take support over here and then again do a bounce back. We don't know whether it will be a breakout towards the upside or it will just continue towards the downside. So for me to turn completely bearish, it has to like break this support and then start to trade somewhere over here, right? So if it breaks the support, there's a retest and starts to do somewhere trade here, that's when I'll start to look for bearish positions in Bitcoin or like in most of the cryptos on a higher time frame as you asked, but on a lower time frame it is just sell at the moment.
Gold didn't reach my level just by a few pips, maybe 1 or 2. So yeah, 7.7. So even if it goes up before the end of the day, it'll go down. So you can short from the top again. If it goes up, not now, not where it is now. Now it's in the middle of nowhere. So above this swing high, previous swing high, or you don't enter at all.
I think it might retest the 8:30 open and then start to dump again. That's what
8:30?
Yeah, so this is the 8:30 open. Most of the time it does a retest and then starts to dump. So, and if you see the 8:30 open and the New York midnight are almost at the same place.
No crash.
Okay.
Yeah, gold's playing with our feelings today.
What did you say about your YouTube channel? I did not hear. It's the official Your Ordinary Trader. You see this on the name, right? In the YouTube stream, it's the Your Ordinary Trader. It's the same one. Just search on YouTube with that name, you will get it. Your Ordinary Trader. Anyone else trading any other pairs? Anything interesting? The Supreme Court is hearing Trump's tariff today. Yeah, but the guy will do whatever he wants to do. You can't control him.
Please support memes to do analysis of SP500. It's a very choppy market today. I mean, it's been going down for a while. Now it's going up. No, it's something's in the air with gold. And I guess we'll see nicer moves around 7, 8 p.m. Spanish time. It's usually a fantastic time just to trade gold. Any of you trade USD Japanese or Euro Japanese pairs? I don't.
USD JPY. USD JPY. So dollar is stronger, so it should ideally be stronger. So you can see there is a breakout over here, and this is the resistance which is nearly at the top. I did send the analysis in my community. So nothing major. It is coming to the retest level. So if DXY starts to continue, then we can probably see the continuation over here as well, right, at the retest area. So maybe a structure shift on the lower time frame, and then you can look for buys afterwards. NQ, there's bearish. Probably it has to take the okay. It is currently bouncing. Yeah, as expected. Yeah, so you can see 830 opened and then the bounce started to play out. So we might again see a bounce and then again a dump in once the 930 opens. So that's what I feel for Nasdaq. Currently it is bearish. So you can see Asia open here and it was a huge sell-off from there. Right, huge sell-off. How many of you guys think they would have gone long over here?
Anyone,
Right,
anyone, bro. I'm sure.
right.
And they will call. Market is crazy.
So the problem is whenever you want to try and take such trades, right? I don't mean they are wrong trades. They are not like bad trades. But what I have observed is whenever such trades happen, right? Try to wait for a second sweep, right? If there is a second sweep and then a reversal, that is a confirmation of a buy. But if there is no second sweep, yeah, let it go. If this goes, let's say you got the bottom tick, this goes until here, I don't care. But most of the time you will have a lot of stop losses avoided if you just wait for the second sweep and then go ahead.
Gold right now in our support zone. I think 15-minute bullish close should buy. No. Do not buy. I can buy though.
You can do anything, Rosa.
But
You're allowed.
yeah. No, but seriously, buying on this market, if you don't have a plan, it's just like killing yourself. And the level down, the 3962.54, still pending. So it has to hit it. Said said something very similar. So it has to grab the liquidity. And then if it goes back up, you might think about starting buying. But you might start thinking. That doesn't mean you buy. Nothing to do for now. Oh.
Come on, guys, give me a TP.
It will. Where's your stop loss? Did you move it? Okay. Yeah.
Now it is here.
Bear with me a second.
Sai bhai,
Hmm.
that one candle near your take profit, that one doji candle, BKL.
But I exited on time.
मुझे कुछ याद आ गया. Sorry guys for the laughter share. I'm saying, Rosa, that one freaking candle, that one freaking doji candle near your take profit is
Yeah.
something like what I say, bro.
Now is when your emotions start playing with you sometimes. And it happens to me sometimes. Like it's like 2 points away from my
Yeah,
take
like
profit.
look at this. Like how many points?
Yeah,
Three nine
I
six
know, I
one.
know. This is the level I
Crazy.
gave. So
Actually, it's coming from 250, 350 pips, but when it's come to take profit, it's give like testing the patience.
yeah.
And you are saying, Rosa, it happened with you sometime, and
Oh
it
no, no,
happened with
that
me more than 80, 85% time. That one doji candle near my take profit is test my patience a lot.
you start thinking about should I close? Should I leave it? I'm gonna leave it. No, 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 no. I'm gonna close it down. Oh, I should have left it, and things like that. Emotions. In the end, we are still human. So
Yeah.
When
it
I
will.
close, when I close, it goes into my favors. When I hold,
Yeah.
it goes against me. And that is something never ending story, guys. That is something never ending.
That's because there's a hidden camera right behind you,
Hmm. You're
looking at your
watching us.
face.
Oh my god. Saai has a take profit near 50 pips below. Let's reverse the market, guys. Thank you, Sai sir. Bro, the top range of this candle may a good signal to buy for you.
If it hits the TP, it will do it like abruptly in one candle, one two candle, like very abruptly.
So let's see what Rosa said.
If it does it, it
It's
looks
also
like it.
the NY open, right? So it might just do it.
Yeah, in 2 minutes. Ooh, yeah. Maybe it will keep dropping.
Sai is the good guy. He deserve take profit, bro. What I can say more than that?
Yeah, it's in 2 minutes. 1 minute.
Let's see.
US Open. Okay, you have it there. Yeah, let's go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. There. Abruptly.
Oh, happy
Abruptly.
faces.
Yeah.
Oh, what a candle, bro. 1 minute is close
Look
to
at that.
90, even more than 100 pips, guys. 130
Yeah.
pips candle. Sai,
I
are you
thought
in
that
big
could be
red?
that could happen because gold
Sai,
was
are
very,
you
very
in big
quiet.
red of closing that master account trade? Are you in?
No, no, bro. I'm like okay
Uh,
with.
nice.
Still have the short like which is running from here on the daily flip. So I said like I basically short on the indicator flip, right? Okay. Uh, yeah, that was futures. But you remember there was an indicator flip on the daily, so I take a short over here. So my
Hmm.
short is like currently running. It's like it's just point one lot which I just run it and then leave it without. So because it doesn't have a stop loss or a take profit, right? So I just run it, leave it like that. So it's currently running at 400 or 400, 450. It's just point one lot, nothing crazy.
Shit is coming.
Yep.
Guys, should we wind up or like you guys are looking for some more trades? As I'm done for the day after seeing this much downside movement. As I was talking about bearish bias, but I didn't take, and I took a stupid trade, a bias, which gave me stop loss. But yeah, it's good. Like I'm not chasing markets.
It was a clear sell for me, to be
Yeah,
honest.
actually it was, but the thing was, Sai, that we were in the consolidation at that time, and my concern
Mm.
was only that consolidation, and yeah, it happened.
Mm.
Even we all are talking about that side staying sideline today, but gold has a different plan to give me regret. Actually, I was very close to pass my another 100K account. So if I took this one, I'll be around 300K in funding, like on master account. Let's see, we'll see tomorrow what we can do. But the bias is still bearish, no matter where is the price.
All right, I think it is 1 hour 40 minutes till now, and we did get a couple of good trades
Hmm.
between. So I think I can close it if there is. That's it from everyone.
Like Rosa, should we wind up or we're looking for something? Mm-mm-mm.
Not looking for anything else. Gold hitting another very important level now, so I might expect some retracement. Nothing
I
there.
think it is just dropping towards my level. Just one level to another level. Just played out like picture perfect 4001 to 3934.
What level did you say?
It's around 3934.
Okay.
Very good dump. That's a 1:10 trade. Just crazy.
And it is keep going down.
Okay, Nasdaq is dumping as well, as I said, after the open. So 8:30 basically did that pullback leg, and then we see that rejection in Nasdaq. Very clear rejection. So it's just dumping. All right, guys. I think if we can, if there's
Yeah,
nothing else, we can probably
we
close it.
should wipe up. Yeah.
Yeah, it's already 2
Bye,
hours.
guys.
All right.
Let's wind it
See
up,
you.
guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye,
What good
guys. Thank you for
session.
your time. Thank you, everyone.
Bye,
See
bye.
you again.
Bye bye.